Translation. A verb is a word that shows an action, a state, or an occurrence. फ़ैल वो लफ्ज़ है जो किसी अमल, हालत या वक़ूए को ज़ाहिर करता है. Number 2. Types of verbs with line-by-line Urdu translation. A. Action verbs, dynamic verbs. These verbs show an action that someone does. ये अफ़आल वो अमल ज़ाहिर करते हैं जो कोई शख्स करता है. Examples: run, read, write, eat. मिसालें: दौड़ना, पढ़ना, लिखना, खाना. B. Stative verbs. These verbs show a state, condition, or feeling instead of action. ये अफ़आल अमल के बजाय हालत, कैफियत या एहसास ज़ाहिर करते हैं. Examples: know, believe, love, understand. मिसालें: जानना, मानना, मोहब्बत करना, समझना. Transitive verbs. A transitive verb needs an object to complete its meaning. मुतअद्दी फ़ेल को अपने मानी मुकम्मल करने के लिए मफ़ऊल की ज़रूरत होती है. Example: he writes a letter. वो एक खत लिखता है. D. Intransitive verbs. An intransitive verb does not need an object. लाज़िम फ़ेल को मफ़ऊल की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. Example: he sleeps. वो सोता है. E. Auxiliary, helping verbs. These verbs help the main verb to form tenses, voices, and moods. ये अफ़आल बुनियादी फ़ेल की मदद करते हैं ताकि ज़माने, सीगे और हालतें बन सकें. Examples: is, am, are, has, have, will, shall. मिसालें: हूँ, हैं, पास हैं, करेगा, करेगी. Modal verbs. Modal verbs express ability, permission, obligation, certainty, etc. Modal अफ़आल सलाहियत, इजाज़त, ज़िम्मेदारी, यकीन वगैरह ज़ाहिर करते हैं. Examples: can, could, may, might, must, should. मिसाली: सिकता है, सिकता था, हो सकता है, मुमकिन है, ज़रूरी है, चाहिए. Regular verbs. These verbs make past tense by adding id. ये अफ़आल माजी बनाने के लिए आखिर में id लगाते हैं. Example: play, played. मिसाल: खेलना, खेला. H. Irregular verbs. These verbs do not follow the id rule. ये अफ़आल id का असूल नहीं मानते. Example: go, went. मिसाल: जाना, गया. Phrasal verbs, a verb's preposition adverb that changes the meaning. फ़ैल हर्फ जार, हर्फ हाल जिससे मानी बदल जाते हैं. Example: give up, quit. मिसाल: give up, छोड़ देना. Number 3. Forms of verb first, second, with Urdu translation, form, usage, example, Urdu. Vu, V1, base form, go eat, jana, khana. V2, past form, went, ate, gya khaya. V3, past participle, gone, eaten, jacha ka khaya hua. V4, participle, going, eating, jata hua, khata hua. V, S form, goes, eats, jata hai, khata hai. 4. Functions of verbs in sentences with line-by-line Urdu translation. 1. Showing action verbs show physical or mental actions. अफ़आल जस्मानी या ज़हनी अमल दिखाते हैं. Example: he writes a book. वो एक किताब लिखता है. 2. Showing state or condition. Example: she feels tired. वो थकी हुई महसूस करती है. Making tenses. Example: he has finished his work. इसने अपना काम मुकम्मल कर लिया है. 4. Forming passive voice. Example: the letter was written. खत लिखा गया. 5. Showing possibility, permission, obligation. Example: you must follow the rules. तुम्हें कवायद की पाबंदी करनी चाहिए. 50 advanced level MCQs on verb with answers. 50. 1. Choose the correct verb form. He to school every day. A. Go, go, see, gone. Answer B. 2. The meeting before I arrived. A. has started. B. had started. C. started. Answer B. 3. She the piano when I called her. A. plays. B. was playing. C. played. Answer B. Which is a transitive verb. A. sleep. B. laugh. C. build. Answer C. 5. A stative verb is A. run, think. C. know. Answer C. 6. The correct modal usage. You obey the law. A. can. B. might. C. must. Answer 7. He keyed here since morning. A. is B. has been. C. will answer B. They the project last week. A. complete, completed. C. completing. 9. Choose the irregular verb. A. played. B. called. C. wrote. Answer C. 10. The passive form of they wrote a letter. A. a letter is written. A letter was written. C. a letter had written. A helping verb in the sentence. She is dancing. A. she be is C. dancing. 12. The correct form. The teacher made the student again. A. write. B. wrote. C. writing. Answer A. 13. If I you, I would apologize. A. am. was. C. were. Answer C. He his homework already. A. finished. B. has finished. C. finish. Choose the phrasal verb. A. bring up. Bring C. up. Answer 16. She to Paris twice. A. went. B. has gone. C. goes. Answer B. The baby when the phone rang. A. Sleeps, B. Slept, C. Was sleeping. Answer C. I wish I more time. A. Have, B. Had, C. Having. Answer B. 19s me to do the work. A. Told, B. Said, C. Says. Answer 20. Which verb is in passive? They built a house, B. A house was built, C. They are building. And 21. She reading for 2 hours. A is B. Has beens, once, or B. Run is A. Transitive verb, B. Intransitive verb, C. Both. Answer C. Choose correct. He made me laugh. A. Laughed, laughed, C. Laughing. Answer A. 24. He speak English well. A. Cans, B. Can, C. Can be answer B. 25. They dinner when I reached. A. Had, were having, C. Have. Answer 26. Choose past participle. A. Seen, B. Saw, C. Seeing. Answer 27. She here yesterday. A. Comes, B. Came, C. Come. 28. The verb in I feel happy. Feel, be happy, C. I. 29. Which is a modal verb? A. B. Must, C. Did. Answer 30. He never been abroad. He said. Choose correct. She a song now. Sings, be a singing, C. Sang, answer B. 32. The verb in passive voice. A. Has written, B. Was written, C. Writes. Answer 33. He finished the work before sunset. A. Should, B. Have, C. Is. 34. I for you since 5 p.m. A. Wait, B. Waited, C. Have been waiting. Third verb. A. Talk, B. Speak, C. Eat. 36. In infinitive form. A. Writing, B. Wrote, C. Write. Answer C. 37. Choose correct. The sun in the east. A. Rise, B. Rises, C. Risen. Answer 38. He to start a business. A. Wants, B. Wants, C. Wanting. Answer 9. The concert by 9 p.m. A. Ended, had ended, C. End. 40. Choose correct. The work is done. Being, B. C. Been. And 41. I him yesterday. A. Meet, B. Met, C. Meeting. 40. He drive a car. Can, biz, can, see, cans. 43. Choose particle adjective. A. Boring, bore. Answer 44. She, her keys. Has lost, B. Lost, C. Losing. And 45. By next year, I my degree. A. Completed, B. Will have completed, C. Have completed. Answer B. 46. The doctor him to eat less. A. Advised, B. Advised, C. Advising. Answer of 47. She not understand the problem. A. Do, does, C. Did. 48. Choose phrasal verb. A. Look after, B. Look, C. After. 49. The car stolen last night. Is, B. Was, C. Were, answer B. He to go abroad next year. Hopes, hoping. If you want,